Alright, let's start. Looks good. Snack area. Got my Rick Grimes up. Little DVD collection. Hey, Urkel. Front view. Alright. Clip speakers. Alright. This is the little game area. I'm gonna purchase another arcade machine right by the Space Invaders. That's where I do my little DJing at. Alright, it's back again. Show you guys. What's that? TV. There you go. Alright, let's turn the lights off. Shut this. Gotta finish this little project. This is the exit sign as you leaving. And here you go. Front view. Alright, turn the lights off.
A little known Athenian soldier. His men call him the Mysticles. He gives the Persians a taste of Athenian shock combat. Are gone. Thousands dead. Hundreds of them their own.
Alright guys, this is how it looks with the curtain up. Instead of building a wall to separate the game side and the movie room, I just put theater curtains up, or heavy duty curtains. It blacks it out, makes it look real good. This is what I'm working with as far as now. Eventually, I'm gonna get some Valencia 2 rows of 3 movie theater seats and one more arcade machine by the Space Invader. I said once. I have a Klipsch 12-inch subwoofer. Got a Sony STR 590, I think. And got a little 5-disc CD changer. Pioneer reverb. Got a 3D Blu-ray player and a Verizon box. Got an internet booster. So when I play my Xbox, I gotta have a strong signal. Um, Eventually, I'm gonna get the new Xbox, and I'm gonna upgrade this Polk audio subwoofer here to a Klipsch 12-inch to match the one in the front. And that's it, guys. I'm almost done. I just wanted to show you guys my progress of where I'm at. I'm gonna upgrade the poster frames shortly. That's it. Oh, and as you can see, my best seat is right here. My mother knitted this blanket for me. I love it. And sorry for the lights. That's it. I'm happy. I've only been in the house for 1 year. Made a lot of progress where I'm at. Here, just with the lights off. Alright. There you go. Just upgraded the TV to an 82-inch LG. And here's the 70-inch in the 82-inch box.